Good morning. It is day 4. It is San Juan day, and we are not getting off on port. We have a casita on deck 16, but first we're going to laser tag. So laser tag, they're doing it on day 4 and day 5. It's during the day. Usually it's always been in the evening every time we've done it before. So we are now going to the Studio B to check in. So here it is. Studio B on Oasis is on the forward. You can't get there from the aft, which we learned the hard way. So it is the, today it's doing it from 9. I'll put the times right now. I screenshot it in the app. And it's the same one, the Clash for Crystal City. And you got the blue, I think it's blue and purple. So we're going down to wait, and then they're gonna have you leave everything there. And I'm just gonna bring my purse in the middle. But this is pretty much what it's been. We've done it, I think we did it here on the Oasis before, and then we've done it on the Freedom class, and it's always pretty much the same.
So we've chosen to reveal ourselves to you and offer the sanctuary needed for survival within our seas below the walls.
For the safety of everybody, no running, okay? Then now, look at your vest, it's all white. Then we will gonna randomly pick your team. You're gonna be red or you're gonna be purple or green. Okay.
Now we're green.
Okay, now all the purple on this side and all the green on the other side.
We're on the same side.
Okay, guys.
We're all green. So they had to do it twice, and now we're all green. So this is the first time we're done doing this, and we're all on the same team.
Let's battle. Let's battle.
Oh,
I got him. I got him. I got him.
hey, Yanni's won.
You did good.
Yes, we won. We won. Yes.
So that's my score. Wait, let's see.
Yes, we won.
Here, there's my score. Let me see your score. Turn. Right, let me see your score so I can get it.
It said Yeti's won. It said Yeti's won.
Yep.
Good learn. Give him a second.
Oh, you came in second. So Ray came in second. I came in 5th. Ryder was 7th. Ryder did good. So that was a lot of fun. It was really cool because the first time they did it, they had to reset it because it didn't reset. So we all got onto the same team, which was the first time that's happened. And our team won, which I think was also the first time that's happened. So at least that's for me. And it was a lot of fun. So it says it's gonna be half an hour, but it actually was an hour. So it is 12:25, so it was just under an hour, 55 minutes. Because you check in and then you like wait, so there's a lot of waiting. And then the actual game gets suited up and everything. So I would give yourself at least an hour. Like, don't have anything after. We don't have anything planned today, so it worked out. But just know that it's probably more 45 minutes to an hour than half an hour. So we are on the we're on the 16th deck now. We're in our Casita. We got Casita 14, which is great. It's right next to the Windjammer, which is right there, and it overlooks the Splashaway Bay. There's a cooler here. Supposed to be water. There's no water. I mean, there's no like bottled water in there. There's ice and stuff, but there's no bottled water. So I guess maybe they'll bring it to us. There's also a charger. Like, so I brought a block, but it doesn't need a block. You just need the USB. And yeah, so really nice and beautiful day. Do we need this? No, but we were gonna do this. You know, we used it was $112 because on sale. I wouldn't have paid the $200, which it normally is. But kind of wanted a nice place to chill today. Have a place where we just kind of go. And then so what I did is I did it toward the aft of the ship because our cabin is in the forward of the ship. So this way we have like a meeting space on the aft, and you know, it's close. So yeah, I'll give you my review and whether I thought it was worth it. You know, plenty of pool chairs and stuff. absolutely. But we just kind of wanted to kind of splurge today to chill, and it's a really great day to be on the pool. I mean, on the ship, because since we are in port, we got to port late. Like I think we was like off at 11, but it's pretty empty. So everything is Splashaway Bay's empty, the slide's empty. So there's a lot of things that we can do on the ship, and there's not a lot of lines. So they have that pool closed, but there's the three pools. The three pools, two of them are open, and then the line for the slide isn't that bad. It actually was like 3 people a little while ago. Now it's a little bit longer. And the reason why I picked number 14 is because there's stairs right there. So they're all on deck 16, so they're not near the pool, but there's stairs right there, right next to the Windjammer, and again, it's overlooking Splashaway Bay, so we can watch him. There he is. We can watch him and not actually have to be down there, so which is great. So I'm just gonna chill. And yeah, he's going up there. He's going up to the slide now. There's the small slide. Yesterday that was the only slide open, was the one in Splashaway Bay, because everything on deck 16 was closed. But really great time. It's mostly little kids today, but at least he can go in there and enjoy it without having a long wait for anything, because the line yesterday for that slide went all the way down. You excited, Ryder? So they're about to go on the slide. I forgot which is it called. There's 3 slides, but only one of them is open right now. So that's them giving directions to Ryder. A lot of kids are getting stuck in the cyclone. So there he goes. Whoa! Up! Like father, like son. Which slide is better? That one, what I think it's called the Supercell, or the one in
Perfect storm.
I like the Splashaway Bay one.
Splashaway Bay one? Yeah. This one is actually, it's really short. It just goes around and then you kind of get stuck, and then when you come down, it's just like, that's it, you're done. So, and these two are closed. So it is almost 3 o'clock, I think, and we are going to go do the Ultimate Abyss and and hopefully the zip line. So that's what we're going to try and do now. Good job, Ryder! You beat Daddy! Woo!
Good job, honey. Good job.
How was it, honey? Ready?
3, 2, 1, let's go.
So it is obviously another night. I got my hair done again for day 2, or the second, number 2 of 3 of the blowout of 3. Did a little curl, so it's really great. Of course, not taking pictures tonight. Kind of just a chill night. We are at the Windjammer. It's Caribbean night. Looked at the menu. I got back to the room and they were both taking a nap. So we're just gonna make it a chill night. And that's it. So I'm not really that hungry anyway. So Ryder's just having some food, and yeah, they have some ice cream sundaes in the front, and just getting a light bite. And I don't know. We had reservations for the ice show, but I don't know if we're gonna go. Ryder's gonna go to the kids club. His friends were there, so we met up with his friends, his new friends Hunter and Piper, earlier today. We finally met their parents, which was great, and we had a great day at the Casita. Ryder didn't want to do the zip line. He's a little nervous about doing it, so maybe tomorrow. But the zip line and we did the zip line in the Ultimate Abyss, which was fun. The Ultimate Abyss was slow, like much slower than it was before. So it was fun. It was still a good time, but it was a lot slower than what I remember. The zip line was a lot of fun, and I actually could have done it again because we did it like right when we were still in port, right when it opened. And there was one girl that did it 5 times. She went out 5 times, and you could just keep your gear on and just keep going because there was no wait. So that was really great. So I would say if you want to go multiple times, try and do it while you're in port. The Casita was nice. Probably wouldn't do it again just because we're not pool people. But maybe. But it was nice to have. So it was nice to experience it one time, especially for the price that we did it for. But now we're just going to eat dinner and drop them off at the kids club, and I don't know what we'll do. So they have a Belgian waffles like Sunday station, and I thought he was going to get strawberry ice cream, but he went with the chocolate, with chocolate and more chocolate on the side.
Looks good though.
How is it? Hello. So obviously it is the next day. I forgot to do an outro last night. We called it a night. I just was not. We didn't nap during the day, and I just was tired. I was tired, and I felt like if I didn't go to sleep, I was gonna wake up sick. So we got to bed early. Ryder went with his new friends and explored the ship. They went to the kids club. He came back. We just told him to be back by midnight, which he did. First time we've done that, and I feel comfortable because these 2 kids, even though they're younger than him, they cruise a lot and they know the ship really well, and they've been doing this. We talked to their parents, and we felt like the parents is like they can come to our room, and we met them, so we feel really comfortable with these 2 kids. And it's a boy and a girl, and the girl is like super responsible. So not that the boy isn't, but the girl is like, she knows, she's like super smart, and she has a watch, and yeah. So he was back by midnight, and he got to watch. He came back around 11:45, and then he wanted to see the elevators change the plates. And so he went back out by himself, and he went back, and he said he got to see one, and one of the crew members, I wish I had seen it, but one of the crew members actually let him change it. So he got to pop it out and change it, which I thought was really sweet, and he was very, very excited that he got to do that. So we took it easy. We are in Puerto Plata today, Dominican Republic, and this is our first time here, so that'll be the next video. But as for yesterday, it was a great day on the ship. San Juan, we've done before. It's a very short time in port, so unless you're doing something or you want to get off, it is a really, really great day to stay on the ship because now only one slide is open, but the slide was pretty empty. The Ultimate Abyss and all like the activities didn't open till 2, but at 2 o'clock they were pretty much empty. Also, the laser tag were on yesterday and today. So if you are going into port both days, then you probably aren't going to be able to do laser tag. So Ryder really wanted to do laser tag. So for us, it was worth it. The Casita was probably not needed. I enjoyed it. It was really nice to have a bed. It was nice to have, a space. I don't think we'd do it again, but mainly because we aren't really pool people and we don't stay at the pool all day long. But if I were, then I think we probably would have used it more, but I'm glad we did it. I'm glad we got that experience. I'm glad I was able to kind of share the content. But you check in at 9, you can pick it before you go to deck 16, you go to Lime and Coconut. But it was a really great, I'm glad we did it, but I don't think we'll do it again. Maybe if we did it like on Icon or something, but on a sea day, but the price would have to be really good, and they're usually really, really expensive for a sea day. So I could see it being worth it for a sea day though. Other than that, it's been great. It was a great day. We didn't really see any shows. We actually didn't even go to dinner. So we just kind of went to the Windjammer, which was great. So it was our sea day, even though it wasn't. But with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.